morning and welcome to Coffee Talk with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. It's all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And I love to come in here on Friday mornings and have my second cup of coffee because I can. I just want to share just a brief thing about how you can do hard things. I know this month I've been talking a lot about organizing and nest prettying your affairs so that in the unfortunate event that you cannot take care of your documents because you're no longer here, someone can step into your world and unravel your nest and take care of all of the things and do it easily. That's a hard thing, but you can do it. I know whenever I'm faced with a hard thing, something that makes me feel nervous, I describe it in two ways. The puke zone, like I want to throw up, or I want to poop my pants. Those are the two emotions that sometimes hard things make you feel. But here's the thing, they're just emotions. They're just vibrations in your body. And here's a couple of tricks that I use to help me to do hard things. Number one, I break it down into small pieces, small choices, small things, and just do one thing at a time. The second thing is I like to think, okay, how long is it going to take me to get through this hard thing? Is it 20 seconds? Is it a minute? Is it 5 minutes? Is it an hour? Let's say it's 20 minutes. And I just say to myself, in 20 minutes, this is over. In 20 minutes, this is over. Take a deep breath. You can do this. 20 minutes goes by so fast. It really does. And so if you can just get through the 20 minutes, like in my mind, if I can just get through the 20 minutes, then I'll be on the other side of feeling like I have to poop my pants. Of course I pray. Absolutely. But taking a deep breath in and out helps to calm my nervous system. Thinking, okay, it's only 20 minutes, this will be done. Checking my mindset. Like, how am I going to feel after the hard thing is done? How important is the hard thing to me? I also love to use essential oils, like frankincense is one of my favorites for when I'm in wanting to throw up. I just put a drop right on the top of my head. Boop. And sometimes if it's really bad, I'll also inhale it. And then I just do the hard thing. I just do it. And you know what? 20 minutes passes and I did the hard thing. So I'm just here to encourage you that if you are faced with a hard thing, you can do it. You really can. Take a deep breath in and out. The feelings you feel are natural. Those anxious feelings, those it's natural. But they don't last forever. And actually those feelings that you feel when you're afraid of something or when you're facing something hard or you don't even want to do. I've had a couple of those this week. I don't even want to do it. But I do it anyway. Because that's part of being an adult. Anyway, what was I saying? Those feelings that you feel can also be the same feelings you feel when you're excited about something. It could be the butterflies in the stomach, I think I'm gonna throw up, I'm so excited. I think I might poop my pants, I'm so excited. So you can almost flip it in your mind too and be like, oh, these vibrations mean I'm excited. Like when you walked down the aisle to get married, you were excited, but you were also very nervous. So I'm just here to say you can do it. You can do the hard things. And just take a deep breath in and out. Reframe it in your mind. Say a prayer. You can do it. And if you have been following me this month and you are thinking about getting your documents in order, nest-prettying your affairs, then link is in the bio. I have an online course to walk you through. I'm going to hold your hand. Let's get it done once and for all. I know for Judah and I, when we finally went and notarized our will, oh my goodness, it felt so good. But in our minds for so long, it was this huge thing. It was huge. But once it was done, oh my goodness, what a feeling of freedom. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, which is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. Take a deep breath in and out, and you can do hard things. Have a great day. Bye.